guys, so today we'll be making a super cute and adorable curly summertime deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring that already has the stems attached, but you can also use this method on a plain wreath ring and attach your own stems. I will link videos in the description box down below showing you how to do so. I have this adorable sign for the center, 10-inch deco mesh, Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I always like to do is raise all of my stems. I think it just makes the process a lot faster when the stems are already prepped and ready to go. So I have cut my 10-inch mesh into 8-inch long pieces. Sometimes I do cut it in 10-inch long pieces. It's just whatever you prefer. But this time I'm going to go with 8-inch long pieces. And I'm going to roll them in cute little curls. So I'm going to take my mesh and roll it in a cute little curl. Take another piece of mesh, roll it in a cute little curl, crisscross my pieces. And a third piece. I'm going to go with 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. And I'm crisscrossing them so that all pieces are visible. And scrunch it in the center. Find my stem. Place my mesh. Twist it a couple of times. And tuck it away. If I were going to add more mesh later, then I wouldn't tuck it away until all of my mesh is in place. But I'm not going to add any more mesh to this wreath. So you can kind of adjust and maneuver it, but once you get more mesh in place, it'll be a little bit easier to do so. You can go with more mesh in each bundle if you want 4 or 5 pieces. Just depends on how large and poofy you want your wreath to be. But I feel like 3 makes a pretty decent size wreath. I'm going to roll my mesh to a cute little curl. Again, crisscrossing all of my pieces. Scrunch it in the center. Find my next inner stem, place my mesh, and twist it a couple of times, and then tuck it away. And I'm just going to repeat this step all the way around the inner ring, and then come back and repeat the same steps on the outer ring. I'm just fluffing and flaring out my pieces. This is on the inner ring only. It's looking so cute and curly already. Now we're going to come back around and add the mesh to the outer ring. Alright, so I have all my bundles in place, 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle, and I believe this ring had a total of 16 bundles, so I feel like you've made a pretty decent sized wreath. I'm just adjusting and maneuvering, making sure everything looks so cute and precious. If you want it poofier, then go for it. Add more mesh, more bundles, whatever you prefer. You could also just leave it like this. It looks so cute and adorable this way. But I'm going to add an adorable sign to the center just to finish it off. So here's my adorable sign. I'm going to flip it over and cut off the top hanger. I'm going to take 2 stems, twist them together to form 1 long stem for the top and 1 for the bottom. And then I'm just going to hot glue it in place. Alright, and I just make sure that I leave enough of the stem hanging off of the side to easily attach it to my wreath ring. And I'm just going to snugly place it in the center. Push my mesh aside and attach the stem to the actual wreath ring a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then replace my mesh. And I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 stems. And I'm just replacing my mesh, making sure there are no gaps or spaces, and I have it all cute and precious. Again, you can add in any additional embellishments you prefer. I decided to go with a cute, adorable sign to the center, but you can add in any fun decor throughout the wreath as well. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.